In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly set up WordPress on your Hostinger VPS using the hPanel's auto installer feature. Setting up WordPress might sound intimidating at first, but with Hostinger's auto installer, it actually becomes a smooth and hassle-free process, even for those who aren't quite comfortable using the terminal. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're not familiar with it, hPanel is Hostinger's proprietary control panel, designed to make managing your VPS and websites more intuitive and user-friendly. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the hPanel dashboard, where you have a bird's-eye view of everything that's happening with your hosting service. Next, navigate to your virtual private server, and this is where the magic happens without needing to dive into the command line. Instead of running lines of code, Hostinger offers a straightforward auto installer feature. It's specifically tailored to make installing applications like WordPress as seamless as possible. With this inbuilt tool, you can bypass the complexity of server management and still enjoy the flexibility and power that a VPS offers. Within the auto installer, you'll need to select the operating system your VPS is running. For this setup, we're going with CentOS, which is a popular, stable, and secure option ideal for web servers. Once you've confirmed your OS choice, you'll be prompted to select the application to install, and of course, we'll choose WordPress from the list. Here's where you'll fill in your site details and admin information. This part is crucial because it sets up the basic framework for your WordPress dashboard, allowing you to start building and customizing your site. Make sure to input accurate details here, as this information will define how you access and manage your WordPress site in the future. If needed, take a moment to consider your admin username and password. You want something that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess to maintain the security of your site. Once you've double-checked all the details, click on the Install button. Now, this might take a few minutes, so embrace the art of patience as Hostinger's auto installer configures everything. You'll see a progress bar or similar indicator showing you where you are in the process, and by the end, you'll be prompted that the setup is complete. And that's it. You've just installed WordPress on your VPS using Hostinger's auto installer, all without the need for complex terminal commands. It's a simple yet powerful way to get started with WordPress, providing you with a flexible platform that's ready for you to dive in and explore. Remember to keep your admin details secure and stay curious as you discover the vast possibilities WordPress offers for your website. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.